Later na lang pala.
Okay. Happy birthday, Tito Boying. Happy birthday, Tito Tuda.
Okay.
Happy birthday, Tita Ju. Happy birthday, Tita Pudete.
Aww.
It's for you. It's for Dad.
Our first tire change.
What I did. Let's go now. Stop it. It's so much.
Package delivery! Where's your hand? Balita mo lang yan. Ano? Sige, sige. Di ba? Iba na talaga?
Minecraft.
Kwato ang
One.
Where are you? The white one?
Yeah, the white one. I am the white one.
That's good. Oh, you drive properly. Oh, you're gonna bump. Day to you. Go, 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 go. Smile if you want a new mom.
Why?
Smile if you want a new mom.
Why?
Great job.
Wait, this one's connecting. Hey.
Next. Well done. High five. What's wrong? What's wrong with you? Come on, talk to that. Tadi mo lang, tadi mo lang. May snake.
La Salle may scholarship. Sabi niya yung meron.
Hi guys! So, it's another day, another vlog. And dito po tayo ngayon sa Costco para mamili ng mga pagbilihin. Konting pilihin lang. So, let's go! Ayan, konti pa lang yung napamili namin. Konti lang yung bibili namin dito, guys. Kasi marami pa naman kaming stock sa bahay. And andun sila, Dad and Habi. Kuha lang tayo ng tubig dito. Ayan, lagay natin dyan sa cart. Ayan si Habi. Hi! Taho more, worry less. Philippines. So, konti pa lang na pamili natin guys. Pero itatry natin tong cheese hotdog. Cheesy, tasty, juicy hotdog from the Philippines. Yan, try natin yan para kay Habi. Tsaka bumili tayo ng chicken dino, mga sabon pang laba, Tide, Vanish, eggs, para sa toilet, para sa car, milk, and cinnamon. Dadalhin natin maya-maya. And may water dun sa baba. And it's Sunday ngayon guys, kaya maraming free taste. Yan. Free taste. And meron napakalaking lace. Yan, kasing laki na ni Habi.
I said I can tell you something.
Lace. Again. Hey little birdie! Are you a birdie? So originally guys, yung bibili na namin dito is oil, mantika, chicken dino ni Habi, yan, at Dove na sabon. Tapos ito na yung ending na pamili namin. Ang dami na. Sige.
Can I be a birdie?
Let's go!
I wanna be a birdie.
What?
Can I be a birdie?
Yeah.
I wanna be a birdie. Yeah.
Oh, birdie with dad. Dad, birdie with dad.
You know what?
Birdie! Birdie!
I know. I'm not.